Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to tell you about the essential plugins and tools that make every affiliate marketer a millionaire. These are the most essential plugins that that must have in the affiliate marketing website of every affiliate marketer. Right? Shall we go inside? What are all the plugins? The first plugin what we are going to see is broken link checker. So the what is if there will be menus in the website, right? If you click the menus, if you click the menus, the page will open. Sometimes it will show as 404 errors. These kind of errors will just reduce your percentage of sales by 100 percentage. If there is nothing to show to the customer, then how the sales will not occur. So to eradicate this problem, there is a plugin called broken link checker. If you install this plugin and if you just check once in a while in your website, it will show what are all the broken links, and you can eradicate that broken links, and you can make a very good websites which is always in the active mode and which doesn't have any 40 errors. So this is the work of broken link checker. And the next one what we are going to see is contact form 7. In this contact form 7, we are just managing and creating various contact forms like name, email id, name, phone number, email id, and messages, reviews, like that. So the next plugin what we are going to say is easy table of contents. This easy table of contents allows to insert table of contents in posts and pages. Suppose if you have a post and pages, if you are an Amazon affiliate, if you want to insert a table of contents inside your content, inside the in between the content, you just give a short code and it will give a easy table of contents. And the next plugin is what we are going to see is Elementor Pro. It's a paid plugin and it's a popular page builder. It also has a free plugin also. It also has a free Elementor plugin also. So this is used as a page builder. And the next what we are going to see is Link Whisper. Link Whisper is just creating an internal link. If you have a post or pages, if a customer reads your reviews and is about to go for, if you he wants suggestions, or if he wants to go for to some other page, and if he is looking for some other thing related to the page what he is reading, you can create a internal link which is very useful for affiliate marketers. And next one is pretty links, and this is used for the affiliate links which is given by the company is too long and it is very, it is no, it is odd looking and it is awkward looking. To make it as a pretty one, to make it as a very shortened one, for example, if you are running a website as www.iamrajesh or .com, or ram as .com, you just put it ram.com slash, and you can just insert this link, this applicate link after that, right? And in a beautiful manner, so that is useful. And rank mac xeo, this seo tool, all the affiliate marketers will just prescribe to go for Yoast seo, but the seo is not properly, it's not up to the mark in Yoast seo. Please go for rank mac xeo. It is more advanced and it gives the accurate, most probably the reasonable accurate result in seo. See this, in this video I am just explaining you about the different types of plugins which are essential plugins, plugins which is required for affiliate marketer. I will give you a separate video explaining each and every plugins step by step, but it is not a rocket science. You can just install the plugin and you can just have a look at it. You can dirty your hands and you can have a look at it and you can learn. Even though I am just putting a separate video of 2 to 3 minutes video of each and every plugin separately. Okay, so let's start, and let's begin from where we left off. And the next one is short pixel image optimizer, compression of images. There will be n number of images in your website. You have to compress the image. You may wonder what is the use of compressing an image and why you want to install a plugin called Short Pixel Image Optimizer. If you compress the images, the memory space will get low, and if the memory space becomes less, the loading speed of your website will become high. So that is the reason you have to install Short Pixel Image Optimizer. And the next one is WP Rocket. This is useful for speeding up your website, loading speed of your website. And the next one is Social Pug. It's just a social sharing plugin. The connectivity is most important thing for an affiliate marketer. In the social sharing plugin, you can see Twitter, Instagram, every IDs you can install it over there. And if somebody clicks in the social sharing plugins, it will redirect to your social media pages. So stackable reimagine. If there will be a block editor, there will be a page and there will be editor for your page. To just you if you're having Elementor, it's fine. If you don't have an Elementor and if you want to adjust your images in the block level itself, you can adjust by using stackable plugin. And next one is a table press plugins. It creates a beautiful table with shorts code. You can create with a shortcode, you can create a beautiful table. If you are Amazon affiliate, you can compare with one product with another product with different sellers in a same table. So this kind of this kind is very useful for affiliate marketers. Thrive Leads is a list building plugin. List building is if you, it will collect your emails by pop-up images, pop-up messages, everything. It will start collecting your emails and it builds your list of your contacts. W3 Total Cache is a loading speed plugin. The WP Rocket and W3 Total Cache is the same purpose it has been used. You go for either WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache. And the next one is WP Coupons. This plugin is used for creating coupons. They will give an affiliate link and they will give you some offer of 30% or 50% in different affiliate marketing links. And this coupon will just make you use this WP coupons will create a coupon. You can create a coupon depending upon your offer, what you are getting via affiliate links. And you can display the coupons in your website and it increases your revenue. So the last one is WP Rich Snippets, and this is a schema markup for reviewers. See, if you put a review of a product, and previously the Google search engine will take everything, but now it is asking for a header, body, and a tail. So this schema will differentiate with the header, body, and a tail, and it will make the Google search engine to understand properly to take which part of the review should be taken. So and it is useful for better SEO. So these are the most important plugins which affiliate marketer uses, and it will scale racket your business like anything. And the most important base of these things is you should have a very good hosting server. And I have given the best hosting server is SiteGround, and they have n number of plans. You can go for the second plan, and I have given the 70 percentage discount link in the description. You can go and purchase a good hosting company, and that is most important thing. And SiteGround is the very good hosting company. You can go for it and you will have a 70 percentage of discount, and you have many more offers while clicking the below link, and you can purchase the hosting services. So I have just please subscribe to my channel, and please share the channel to somebody and make them watch, and click the notification bell icon so that if I upload a video you will get a notifications. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.